In this quick and straightforward tutorial, we will show you how to download and install Wondershare Filmora 12, a fantastic video editing software on your Windows PC or laptop. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned video editor, Filmora 12 offers an intuitive and user-friendly interface to create stunning videos. Follow our step-by-step guide to get started with Filmora 12 and unleash your video editing creativity. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more helpful tutorials. To download and install Wondershare Filmora 12 on your Windows PC or laptop, Step 1. Visit the official Wondershare Filmora website. Step 2. Look for the download button or link and click on it. Step 3. Choose the Windows version of the software. Step 4. The installer file will be downloaded to your computer. Step 5. Locate the downloaded file, usually in your Downloads folder, and double-click on it to run the installer. Step 6. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the software, including selecting the installation directory and agreeing to the terms and conditions. Step 7. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Wondershare Filmora 12 and start video editing.